Welcome to the City of White Rock Business Location Map. Using this map, you can find out the number and types of businesses in any area within the City of White Rock. Use the map controls on the left to zoom in, zoom out, or search for a specific address. Click and drag to move the view. To see the businesses in an area, click on a colored dot. Use Browse Features to view the list of businesses, and select the business name to see the business license details. Click on another dot to view a different business. When you are done, click the Close button to close the details view. Another feature of this map is the license type filter. Select the type of business you like to see on the map. Then click on the color dot to see the businesses. Click Browse Features and the business name for more information. Use the arrow at the top right corner to scroll through the list. Click the Show All button to see all the businesses on the map again. Thanks for watching.